And well, Avani Lekhara, who's taken India para athletics to newer heights, speaks with India today about her preparation for major competitions next year and what she has been up to off late. Take a look.
Indian para athletes are making the country extremely proud right now. I've got one such athlete with me in Avni Lekhara. Avni, good to catch you here in Delhi. But where we are right now, why don't you tell everyone what is it that we saw you do? I do know that there was a time when you were extremely young that you did a walk per se, a ramp walk. But today, walking the ramp here in the national capital, how did that make you feel?
I mean, it feels amazing. It was kind of like my first. I was a little nervous also because I've never done something like that at such a big stage. But yeah, the theme was breaking barriers, and I think it was apt for it. And seeing a lot of people coming from all the walks of life and walking here, doing the runway or whatever you call it. But yeah, it was fun.
Okay, were you nervous when? Okay, let's start with what your starting point was over there. You started from there. You came all the way right till here. At what point were you the most nervous?
When I was posing there in the
Okay,
center,
right,
yeah,
right at the
yeah. But other than that, it was fun.
Okay. Let's also talk about the para championships that were hosted also in Delhi. 22 being the medal tally for India. How do you look at how Indians performed over there? And yeah, then we'll get to obviously how important is it for us to keep hosting these events going forward as well. But how do you look at the 22 medal tally?
I think it was an outstanding performance. It was one of the best, I guess.
It's
That
the best.
yeah, that India has done, and yeah, congratulations to everyone. And who it was the first time that India was doing such a big event, and everyone was looking up to it. And we were seeing matches online, and yeah, I mean, it kind of gave a lot of other people hope. I think we'll see new athletes coming up after it, and it will be a new way for people to look for sports in their life. And yeah, it inspired a lot of people, I think.
Okay, the other part now of the question that I was saying I'm going to be asking you, how important is it that India going forward does these events so that we're able to get the best out of our para athletes as well?
I think it's very much important because the more media visibility, the more we'll get awareness about the para sports in India. The more athletes will come up in future, be it grassroots level, and then they go up to elite level athletes, and not just medal. Of course, we did a lot like. It was the best for us in medals, but a lot of athletes who have come fourth, fifth, they will also have something to look up to in future and to do their best.
Okay, now I want to ask you something about your preparation. You've not been in public eye of late. What is secretly happening behind the scenes that we're not getting to see Avni Lekhara in public view these days? What are you doing? What are you preparing? Tell us what that secret is.
Uh, I am training actually. We have a World Cup coming up this month in UAE, and we are going to go on 25th October there. And yeah, I was training for that. But yeah, this was somewhat kind of like a chill year for us because after the like hectic last year 2024, this year we had a lot of we only had two World Cups this year in shooting. And yeah, we did a lot of training more on to improve our technique and the other equipments. I changed my rifle, I changed my wheelchair for shooting, I changed a lot of things. So I'm doing these trial and errors now so that I will be ready for the next year Asian Games and World Championships, and also quota competitions will start from next year. So yeah, I'm looking forward to that.
You spoke about changing your wheelchair as well. Could you tell us the technicality? What exactly has changed?
Uh, so we do like in three positions. We have tables for prone position and kneeling position, and we have stand for standing position. I've changed that. I was using my old one since I think beginning of it, and now it was not, there's a life to everything. So now it was the right time. I felt that I should change it, and now it's all new for me. The rifle, the wheelchair, the jacket, everything is new for me this year.
When we talk about para athletes in India, para games in India, Avni Lekhara comes to mind, Sumit Antil comes to mind. You guys in many ways have become the face of para athletes and para athletics in India. Does that put pressure on somebody like somebody as young as you or Sumit as well? If you guys have had that conversation, tell us about it. Does such responsibility come with pressure as well when there is so much hype around you?
Um, of course, I mean, like I said a lot of times, second Paralympics was much tougher than the first one, and I think it will be same for him as well. And we were going with a lot of expectations, and there was nervousness, there was jitters, but I think when we go to the lane or the stadium, we kind of we train for that so that we don't just focus on the results and the outcomes and what we are going to do, the medals. We try to keep ourselves calm and focus more on the process. And I think for me, I personally take every match kind of similarly, and I train for that. I train accordingly to the matches in my training. I kind of make the situations like that, so I don't feel something very new there. So it's more like how you make your mindset in the training.
This was a very good conversation. Pleasure talking to you, and we wish you all the best for what lies ahead. Thank you so much.